Hello everyone, today I will tell you how we will get the values of this trigonometry's chart value within 1 minute. Very fast you can get this value without learning anything. Just you have to do practice and you will get these values very fast within 1 minute. So please see. Students are finding difficult to get these values, so I will tell you how to get it. And you will, without learning this, you can get all the values. So these are the angles given and these are the ratios sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So first only we have to get the value of sine theta with the one formula, simple formula, that is number of fingers on the thumb side. We are using this 5 finger. With the base of this we can get all the values. 5 finger, simple formula, number of fingers on the thumb side. We will take thumb as 0 degree, then 30 degree, then 45, then 60, and the small finger, little finger is 90 degree. So by the help of this we will get all the values. Now we will see first sine theta. So number of finger means 0 degree we are taking. तो 0 degree number of finger है nothing, 0 है, no, near the thumb there is no finger. So ये 0 root 0 by 2 आ जाएगा. Root 0 by 2 means the value of root 0 is equal to 0 by 2 is equals to 0 हो जाएगा. Then we will see sin 30 value. So number of finger near 30 is 1. So root 1 by 2. So value of root 1 is 1. So value is 1 by 2. Now we will see sin 45. So number of finger near 45 is 2 finger. So it will come root 2 by 2. And we can write root 2 by 2 as root 2 upon root 2 into root 2. इसका आप स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो 2 ही आएगा. सो वी राइटिंग लाइक दैट रूट 2 इंटू 2. सो रूट 2 से रूट 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और ये बचेगा 1 अपॉन रूट 2. वेरी सिंपल इट इज़. 2 को हम रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 लिख सकते हैं. देन विल गेट दैट वैल्यू 1 अपॉन रूट 2. Now we will see sin 60. Near 60 there is 3 fingers, so it will come root 3 by 2. 3 finger का root 3 अंदर हो जाएगा, number of finger 3, so it will become root 3 by 2. For 90 value there will be 4 finger, so there root 4 by 2 और यहाँ पे number of finger जो हो जाएगा 4, so it will become root 4 by 2. root 4 को हम 2 square इंटू रूट 2 हो सकता है और फिर स्क्वायर से रूट 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो ये 2 by 2 आ जाएगा एंड 2 by 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. Now we get all the values of sine and now we will write in the table all the values of sine theta, and then the cos theta is just opposite of sine theta. We will reverse the value of sine theta, then we will get the value of cos theta. जस्ट आपको उल्टा लिखना है. लेफ्ट जो 90 की वैल्यू है वो यहाँ 0 की हो जाएगी. लाइक दैट ऑल द वैल्यूज. This way we got the value of cos theta without learning the sine values also. Now we will find out the value of tan theta. Tan theta means sine theta upon cos theta. So we will get the values of tan theta by using the formula tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. So first the value of tan 0. So sin की वैल्यू 0 और cos की 1, तो 0 by 1 is equals to इसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा tan 0 का 0. देन नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा 1 by 2 बाई रूट 3 by 2, और जब हम उसको ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे जो उसका ट्रांसफ़र टर्निंग होती है तो ये हो जाएगा 2 into 1 बाई रूट 3 into 2. सो 2 से 2 कैंसिल, इट विल रिमेन 1 by रूट 3. Now for tan 45 the value will be 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. यहाँ में थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो जाएगा. ये रूट 2 by 1 ऑन कर जबकि ये है 1 by root 2. I will correct it now and then we'll get the value. It will cut. It is 1 by root 2, not root 2 by 1. It is 1 by root 2. By mistake I wrote. So I will correct it now. It is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So ये 1 by root 2. Now we will transfer it, so it will become root 2 into 1 upon root 2 into 1. It will cancel it and we will get the value 1. This way you will get the values of 1045. Just be careful while writing. Just I made a mistake, so be careful while you are writing the digits. Here when I am writing 1045 values, I just misplaced it. So be careful while writing. Once you practice, it will be when you will be doing more practice, you will be very fast. Now we will find out the next value, 1060 root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now we will just this way we complete. Then root 3 into 2 by 2 into 1. So 2 से 2 आपका cancel हो जाएगा and it will become root 3. Now we will find the value of 1090. 1090 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined or infinity. We cannot define this value. Now we will fill up all these value of tan theta. Now cot is just opposite of tan theta. We will reverse the value as we reverse the value of cos theta. So first will come not defined, infinity, then root 3, then 1, then 1 by root 3, then 0. Now we will find the value of sec theta. Sec theta value is 1 by cos theta formula we will use and we will get the value. So 1 by cos theta means 1 by 1. Cos theta value, cos 0 degree value is 1. So 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Then sec 30 हो जाएगा आपका 1 by root 3 by 2. It will convert that 2 by root 3. Then next we will get sec 45. 1 by root 2. It will go up and it will become root 2. Then we will get the value of sec 60, 1 by 2. So we will reverse and we will get the value 2. Then next sec 90, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means it will not define. It will be not solved and it will become infinity. 1 by 0, so not defined, infinity. We will put all these value in the sec theta. Now cosec theta is just the reverse of sec theta. We will just reverse the value, first not define, infinity, or then 2, then root 2, then 2 by root 3 and then 1. By the help of these 5 fingers, you will get all the values very fast. So do practice. Thank you for watching my channel and please subscribe. If you are only watching kids videos, so please subscribe my new channel Pratibha Baird 2, which is only for kids. Thank you again.